Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and for today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than I have more recently, and it's actually going to be a new year, new haul video. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be sharing with you guys is I finally got myself some earrings. I am trying to get a little bit more into jewelry again. I kind of stopped for a long time, and I had really been wanting these gold hoops. And you know, gold can be pretty expensive, especially the size and style that I wanted. And I wasn't sure where I wanted to commit, or if I was really ready to commit to real gold hoops. But my daughter and I went to the mall recently. We went to Claire's and they had 18 karat gold plated. So I figured they'd be a little bit better than just, you know, just regular like fake jewelry. Hopefully they won't tarnish as fast as just fake jewelry does. So let me show you what I got. So I don't know if you can see, but I did get these super cute smiley face hoops. And here are some little huggy, I don't know if these are considered huggy hoops. And they have just a regular back, butterfly back. And they had everything, buy 3, get 3 free, pretty much everything. So that was my incentive. And I also got these cubic zirconia, also 18 karat gold plated little hearts, because why not? And I actually thought that this was probably the best idea, just so that I know, first of all, how well the gold plated works. I'm not really too familiar with gold plated items. I don't think I've ever really owned anything gold plated. Let me know in the comments what your overall thoughts of gold plated items are, if you do have gold plated jewelry. All right, so the next item I have for you guys is Mooncat nail polish. As I was saying, the Mooncat polishes. I love the Mooncat polishes. I did purchase, I think, like 2 or 3 back in September, and then like another 2 in November. And I have been extremely obsessed with the new Mooncat. Well, I don't really know how long they've been around, but new to me, Mooncat. A friend of mine convinced me to go get acrylic nails with her back in December, and I honestly really regret it, because my nails were finally really nice shape, super strong, and the acrylic really messed up, hence why I'm letting them breathe right now. But I did recently order me some new ones, and let me show you what I got. So I ordered the nail elixir, which is supposed to be to help strengthen your nails. So I'm excited about this. Hopefully it helps get my nails back to where they used to be. I got the new Crystal Lake color. Look at how pretty that is. And I didn't used to like bold colors like this, but I don't know if it's because I'm getting to my 30th birthday soon or what is happening, but I no longer care, and I think this is just gorgeous. The next color is Moon Fairy, and it's pulling off a little bit more purple here, but it's got more of like a pink hue to it, which, oops, I'm excited about it, and I just made a mess. Typical me. The next color is Cosmic Cowboy, Strange Berry, and Into the Wishing Well. I love these polishes. Let me know if you want to see a full review on Mooncat, including some of their magnetic shades, which I do have. The next items I want to show you is, ta-da! I don't know why or when or how, but Coach is apparently back in style, so I had to get myself a new Coach bag specifically for work. Don't mind the mess in here, but it's really nice. It's got 2 huge compartments, and it's got a laptop sleeve in here. I love this bag. I did get it out the outlet back in Texas, and I adore it. And I did get the matching little wallet here. You don't gotta see my face, but it's a really nice. It's got a deep little pocket and a little coin area, which I never really carry coins, but for some reason I have a lot of coins right now. Super cute, and even if I wasn't going to work with it, I really feel like I would use it a lot. All right, the next items I want to be showing you is this Ole Henriksen's, it's called Seeking Self-Care Set. No, I don't know these off the top of my head. I'm not crazy. Check it out. I got this, and I'm not even gonna lie, Tati Westbrook. Wow, tongue twisters happening right now. Tati Westbrook, she made a video on some Sephora sets, I think, and listen, I am still super obsessed with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, I believe it's called. And you've seen this, you might have seen this in one of my older skincare routine videos. However, I have opted to try something new because Tatcha is getting even more expensive than what it already was. And I don't know if I can continue to justify the price when there are so many other really good products out on the market, especially right now. So I will be trying this. Obviously I got the set because it just was cheaper, and I think it was even on sale. I think it was like $33, which I don't know how much the cream is, but it made more sense to just get the set with the full size, what is this, Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. So we will see. I will report back. Let me know if you want to see an updated skincare routine, because it definitely has changed in the past 2 years, which I think is when I posted that skincare video, if not a year. It's changed for sure, and I would be happy to put that together for you guys. So I do have 2 more gift sets to show you guys. This is the Glow Recipe Glow Babies Bestsellers, I think is what it's called. Look at how cute. I think it was like $30 or something like that. I sucker because I just wanted to try it. Let me show you what's in the set. So these are all minis. It has the niacinamide dew drops, which we will talk about this in just a second. It has the plump hyaluronic cream, the PHA and BHA pore tight toner, avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser, and the strawberry smooth BHA and AHA salicylic serum. Super cute. I've always wanted to try the Glow Recipe brand, but I just never got around to it. So I think this is a good like little introductory set for me to try. Now let's talk about the niacinamide, which I have here, and I actually bought this before I bought the set. So this is the Glow Recipe niacinamide in, I believe this is like the extra large size or like the holiday size, I don't know. Listen, I'm not even gonna lie, I got this because Rose and Ben recommended it, and I'm really trying to implement a lot of her things. I mean, I've always tried to learn from her and implement some of her makeup techniques, but I'm really trying to get into the nitty-gritty of some of the things that she uses to help her makeup look good, because I mean, first of all, her skin is flawless, but second of all, she's just got such great tips. And oh my god, let me tell you, this has replaced my primer. I only put a little bit of primer. I didn't today, so I'm a little shiny because it's been several hours, but it has replaced my primer. So today, no primer. I have combination skin. This is good, so good. It is so smoothing. It just is chef's kiss amazing. Really recommend you try this. All right, the last beauty skincare kit that I want to show you guys is this Paula's Choice Complexion Clarity Kit. I use several of Paula's Choice and I love it. I think it's done amazing things for my skin. I love their sets because you really get big, like good bang for your buck. It's always got 2 full size, which are these 2 here, and then a mini of something else for you to try. And I have loved these. It came with this 10% azelaic, I don't know how you say that, acid. I've been mixing this in with my moisturizer at night, and I have really seen a difference in my complexion. It also has this 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, which is the reason why I got this set. I love this. I've also seen a huge change, and I have been using this, I believe, for the past year, or maybe a little bit less. And I've also been using this in its full size, the 1% retinol treatment. I think I've only been using it once. I've tried to do it twice a week, but honestly, I forget. But I've still noticed a difference, so love this. So I got myself a new pair of Vans. Let me show you. Aren't these the most beautiful? I mean, how cool is this sole? I was a sucker for the sole. I'm not even gonna lie. I have hairs everywhere. Literally, this sold me. You will never guess how much I spent on these. $35, like literally 34 and change. They were on sale for $49.99 plus 30% off on top of that. How amazing is that? I literally got it yesterday. Whatever day that is for you, I'm sorry. And they've got like this extra cushion on the inside. I tried them on, I was like, wait a minute. Super cute. I think they're called, I'm not even gonna lie, let me tell you. Century Old School, I'm guessing. Here, let me show you. Hopefully you can see that. And I will try to find a link for you. Again, I'm not sponsored in any of these links. I'm just trying to show you what I got. Love these. I will be wearing these a lot. I will tell you, they run big. I'm a size 8. These are a size 7.5, and they fit me a little bit big, but they didn't have a 7. So I said, fuck it, let's just do it. So I'm excited to wear these. I am obsessed. So now I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of clothing pieces that I'm currently obsessed with that I recently got. This, how cute is this? I can't remember the name of this top, but I will put it up on the screen and I will have a link to it down below as well. Look at how cute with this stitching. It fits me a little cropped because of this area. And I did get this in a large. However, the model, it looks like full length on her. So maybe if you didn't have this issue, you'd be fine with your regular size. But I did get a large, and even then, with the croppedness of it, with some high-waisted jeans, like right here, beautiful. How pretty is this top? It's from a small woman-owned business called Opal Coast. Again, I'll put her link down in the description. And oh, how cute is this? And I love supporting a good small business. So if you do know any other good small businesses, please put a link for them down below so that I can look at it, maybe buy myself something and share it on here for you guys. But I love this. Full length, nice, thin, but good quality material. Super stretchy. Like, it's very trendy. Another thing that I got that is like, this has been trending for a minute now, and I just wanted like the perfect leather jacket or faux leather. I don't know if this is real leather or faux leather. Not sure. Levi's. Love it. I've never liked when they have like a belt down here at the bottom, so I thought, oh, this is perfect. I got it in my size medium. It's really nice, really high quality Levi's jacket. So it isn't real leather, but I mean, it makes me feel a little bit good that it's faux leather. It makes me feel a lot of bit good that it's faux leather and it's nice, good quality, and I know it's gonna last a long time. Okay, the next top that I got from Opal Coast is this really cute top. Also don't remember the name of it. I'm sorry. I will link everything down below for you, but look at this. It's got this cute little like tie. You can tie up back so that if you do wear it off the shoulder, which I love this for off the shoulder. How cute is that? That way you can tie it in the back and it doesn't accidentally give you a little nip slip, because we don't want that. How cute is it though? Absolutely adore this top. Again, from Opal Coast, woman-owned small business. In 2023, we should all support more small businesses. I love it. It's super soft, super high quality, beautiful, stretchy, ribbed material. Love, 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 love it. Can we talk about these jeans for just a second? Blame my best friend. She convinced me to buy these Wrangler jeans. I guess it's like dad jeans. They're considered dad jeans because they're a little bit like looser here. They've got a straight leg. I think they're considered boot cut. You can't even tell that they're boot cut. I mean, come on. How cute. But look at, this is what convinced me. Look at this. It just makes the booty pop. Like, I don't get it. Where have they been hiding these? Like, what? Who gave me permission to have such juiciness back here. Like with $30 Wranglers? Excuse me. Yes! I am obsessed. Yep, best investment. All right, and last but not least is this super cute crew pullover from Buffbunny, along with, I'm going like this because I was gonna show you this, but for what? I previously to this video posted my review on their new collection, so please go check that out. All of these pieces I also got at the beginning of this year, or yeah, whenever they released. And yeah, I did a review video for you guys, so I hope you have the time to go and watch it and let me know what you think, if you're gonna pick up some of these pieces, because I know I am obsessed with the new cloud. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you started following me for the Buffbunny collection videos, thank you so much for coming and watching this video. If you're new, I hope you stay. I hope all of you actually stay. Like I said before, this year I'm very excited about. I have so many ideas and I want to continue to create content for you all because I really enjoy it. I really have so much fun and I love connecting with new people. Anyways, all right, till next time.